G'day guys, starting off with L-shaped graphs. We're going to select the keyframes, head on down to our graph editor and our value graph. Then we're just going to pull the orange nodes all the way so that we're creating this really cool kind of roller coaster effect. Slow it to fast. We'll just play that back and it should look pretty cool. And then I'm going to add my second image, and that's what we're going to transition to. Add a keyframe to that one. Then we're going to head back on over into our graph editor. And we're going to do the opposite, so we're going to have really fast going all the way to slow. And this should give us this really cool kind of hurricane effect. And we'll just scale that down a little bit just because it doesn't look that great yet, but we've got to trust the process. So you can also move this keyframe over just one frame out of the image so that it creates this kind of speeding up into infinity effect. And that is your L-shaped graphs. Moving on to our mountain shaped graphs, we're going to be demonstrating this with a little slides transition. Then we're going to head on down into graph editor. We're going to select speed graph, and we're going to create just a mountain shape. So I'm going to pull these nodes inward to get that really nice kind of oval upside down V shape. We'll do the same for the second layer as well, just to show you that it's going to be kind of like a double mountain shape when we have the keyframes. Just going to adjust those just a tad. And that is our double mountain shaped graphs. Lastly but not least, we've got this beautiful deviating threshold graph. We'll start off by having a drop down transition, and I'm going to show you how you can create a bounce effect from these little nodes. Head down into our value graph, select that icon to reveal the nodes, then we're just going to pull them back and forth. So if we just play around with this, now I kind of lost the footage for this one, so we'll just have to make do, but basically you'll just mess around with it until both of your nodes are either above or below the graph, and you'll get this really cool kind of accidental bouncy effect, which can look really hectos if you do them correctly. So I'll just show you what that looks like now. And that will be all for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!